I get it all the time. Charles, I want to buy on the Upper East Side. I say, where do you want to buy on the Upper East Side? They say the 70s in particular, 75, 76, and 77. Look at the developers behind me. They're making their mark here, and we want you to plant your flag as well. We got a beautiful 3-building pre-war co-op, a studio with a washer dryer that you are not going to want to miss out on. What does everyone want in 2025? An open kitchen. And not just an open kitchen, an open kitchen that is at least 6 feet, 7 feet long. Look at the size of this countertop. It's kind of a separation from your living space and your entertainment space. This is great for hors d'oeuvres, work from home, cooking. You can even have Thanksgiving spread right here and a table behind me. And all of this storage is really what I'm looking at. You have storage below over here. Storage, storage, storage. You have a nice window over there. As you enter the kitchen, the number one thing I look at is not only functionality, but where are my chefs? You have all the appliances you need, including a dishwasher, oven, microwave, behind me, refrigerator. You can do whatever you want here. Additional storage as well. It's incredible how much you can actually include in this kitchen. And if we could just pan up in these beautiful light fixtures, just illuminate down this entryway that includes washer and dryer. How about that? And coming down even further is a double built out custom closet with all of your storage needs. To your windowed bathroom with a pocket door, meticulously renovated, beautiful tile flooring, unbelievable marble throughout, Hollywood style mirrors, so much storage in this bathroom, built out and ready for use. I love it. It's not gonna come out on video because it never does, but the actual size and depth of this studio apartment is what I love. The recessed lighting, you have so much room to put all of your furniture. What's great too is that it's on a quiet block. You have beautiful trees out there when it's bloomed. You have exposed brick over here. And you know, if you know me, that I am a stickler for floors. Look at these beautiful floors. They are in immaculate original conditions. As you can see, we're in a move-in ready studio. And if you are ready to make your mark on one of the most desired blocks, East 77th Street, with this beautiful flooring, recessed lighting, all this storage, huge countertop, renovated windowed bathroom, and if you come around here, a shoe closet for all of your needs, then call me, Charles Botenston from BPI, and we'll get you in to check it out.